Trinity Funeral Consultant, Caskets, and etc. At Trinity Funeral Consultant, Casket, and etc., affordability is very important to us. Our staff is here to help provide you with important information needed to plan a meaningful and cost-efficient funeral for your loved one. We carry a wide selection of caskets starting at $695, burial vaults, urns, headstones, floral arrangements, and obituaries. Visit our website at www.trinity3.info. Trinity Funeral Consulting, Caskets, and etc., giving you peace of mind. Trinity Funeral Consulting, Caskets, and etc. is located at 721 Front Street, Extension, Suite 705, located in Acme Plaza, here in Meridian, Mississippi. Our phone listing is 601-604-8809 or 601-479-9166.
Listen.